The RAICo Fellowship supports PhD students and early career researchers as they progress their research in nuclear robotics with the view to apply this to nuclear decommissioning and fusion engineering.
One of the initiatives that we wanted to do as part of the RAICo funding was to make it as accessible to as many people as possible. So rather than having large pots of research funding, we wanted to give individual pots to individuals for smaller amounts of money for them to do things that might benefit their career but also benefit us and also wider up the programme. Part of the condition of this is that they come up and they spend their time at RAICo 1. We want them to engage with people, we want them to network and to meet end users from Sellafield, NDA, from different organisations across the whole estate.
They bring new ideas and innovation into our programme, and as well as that they enrich the community of researchers we have based at our RAICo 1 site in Cumbria. So the RAICo Fellows, as well as the grant funding they receive and that package of support, they get to be part of an academic community. This enriches their research because they get to work alongside people who are working on very similar challenges, and they get to work really closely alongside industry as well, so they get to see a very practical application for their research.
It's been a really successful programme. It's been really well adopted. Not only do they get given that money, but we're also giving them a lot of training, help in terms of business development, which might allow them to see different avenues for their research. It's really taking the researchers out of the lab and giving them a bit more of an understanding of what industry might look like. It's a very different programme. It has given awareness to lots of different universities about the RAICo programme, and it has brought different technologies that wouldn't necessarily have been considered as nuclear a home and brought them into the programme as well.
The fellowship has been really beneficial to me. I've been able to look at ways that I can potentially expand the impact beyond the research. I'm often looking at early technology readiness levels, but thinking into the future about how I can make sure that something that I develop that I hope is going to make people safer is going to actually reach the real world.
I think the core value of the RAICo Fellowship is enable us to have the platform and opportunity to engage with industrial partners.
With the RAICo guiding and what I can see now, it's my idea could be upgraded easily. Before we're talking about under small umbrella, which is a college or university, but now you're talking about more open to the different people who can help you.
We've been really impressed with what's been developed so far. We find that our RAICo Fellows are very keen to work closely with us. They work closely with our partners in industry, and they take on board all of the feedback and advice they receive and really develop their projects into something that could have a real world impact.